Guys, welcome back to another video. So today, remember when I showed you my squishies? I got another one. So, here it is. It was supposed to be an ice cream cone, but it's a microphone. Oh, say, can you see? Okay, but this took forever for me to make. By the way, guys, all these are basically like what I made. So yeah, so they're probably crappy, but yeah, guys, and yes, I will show you how to make them, but yeah. So what you're gonna need is, of course, some paper, because it's paper. And sadly, if sorry if you don't have any memory foam, but I'm using pillow memory foam, so. Yeah. So, you're gonna need some paper, and oh yeah, and also what you're gonna need is some scissors and some tape. You don't have to use duct tape, but if you use this, then it will use up more of your tape. So try. Oh shoot! This is like empty. Like look, hang on. This is like the last piece of tape, so I'm gonna need more. Be right back. So guys, I am back, and I got another roll. So this one looks full, and this one is empty. See, I'll show you them both. So yeah, you guys, let me go get my paper. And by the way, guys, when you have the memory foam, it makes it more like squishy. So yeah. So guys, I got the memory foam, and here it is. Well, this is not all I have. This is also what I have. But if you don't have foam, you can also use like paper bags. But like all these squishies are paper bags. But I want to try this. Okay, so doesn't matter what color paper you want. Okay, so I have a red paper. Probably it looks orange in the camera, but it's actually red, like really dark red. Okay, so I'm gonna squeeze my. It's not real, like this foam is not really that slow rising, but it's still slow rising. So it's still, yeah, it's like better. I think this is gonna be like better than all the other ones. Can you give me the golden blue? By the way, don't do it like that tight, because if you do it so tight, like if you do it so tight, then like it won't be that squishy, if you guys know what I mean. So, yeah. I'm sorry you probably guys can't see, but I'll show you the finished product when I'm done. So guys, when you're done with that, when you're done, here's what it turns out like. Wait, I need to like put the camera down and show you. It doesn't look slow rising, but it actually is. I mean, like, I think this is the best out of all, because this is not really like wrinkly, and it's like more slow rising. So I would say this is a 10 out of 10, and I'm gonna rate the others for you. 4 out of 10, because it's still like, it's kind of slow rising, only kind of. And it's still a squishy, so it's actually still good. So Okay, so this one, I'd say a 3 out of 10 because this one, it's not slow rising at all. Like when you just let go, it just goes back up. So I'd say, yeah, like this is kind of like a 4 out of 10. And wait, let me see. It just looks like a balloon. Okay, well, this is kind of slow rise. This is like a 5 out of 10. But this is a 10 out of 10. But by the way, guys, I'm gonna be making more. So I already have 4 already. Cause 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. But yeah, guys, if you like this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.